Hi, today I just wanted to share something with you that I heard this morning on a kind of a FaceTime blog thing that I was run across from Zach Rushing. He tells a story about he goes into like Home Depot to pick up 12 sacks of cement. And there was a pickup there unloading. The man had probably bought too much cement and he was returning it. And so he says, hey, Zach says to him, do you mind if I just take this cement out of your truck and save me from having to go back there and haul it back up all the way this far out to my car, my truck? And so the guy said, no problem. He says, there's 12 sacks. He says, I'll help you load them. They're 80-pound bags of cement. So he had 11 of them there toward the back of the pickup, and they unloaded them and putting in Zach's truck. And there was the last one was way up at the front and kind of up underneath things. And the guy says, well, can I get up in your truck, sir? And I'll get that. And he says, no. He says, my son's here. I'll have him scoot it back. So he says to his son, he says, hey, can you push that sack back here to the back on the tailgate so we can get to it? And so his son starts doing it, and he's only about 9 or 10 years old, and this is an 80-pound sack of cement. And Zach says to the man, he says, that's kind of heavy for a kid his size. Don't you think we should go help him? And he says, nah. He says, let him do it. So he worked at it, and the kid was working at it. And pretty soon he scraped his knee, and he fussing, and it was hard. And he says it took him about a minute to move that sack of cement at 8 inches. And so he says, sir, don't you think we should get up and help him? And he says, nope. He says, I want him to learn that there's not going to always be people around, and you've got to struggle and push and fight a little bit to get something done. And so he says, I was going to go get another sack from the stack over on the thing, but he says, I kind of had myself invested with this man, so I was watching him. So he says, I just stayed, and I was kind of like an spectator on watching this unfold. And he says took the boy about 15 minutes to move that sack of cement, and he was crying and complaining, and his dad said, nope. He says, I want you to move it to the back, get it done. And so the boy kept pushing and shoving, and he got it almost all the way onto the tailgate. And he said, son, I want it all the way on that tailgate. He says, I want you to finish the job. And so with his last ounce of strength, the kid pushed and shoved. And there's tears running down his face. And he said, man, this really hard on the kid. And then with the tears running down his face, he got it done. And he realized, wow, I'd done something. I'd done a big job. And he just looked up and he started grinning, and he says to his dad, hey, Dad, I did it. And he gave his dad a big high five, and then he hugged him. And his dad hugged him back. And I think, and Zach says the father realized then how proud he was of his son, and how glad he was that he pushed forward and did it. So he didn't find out the man's name. And so he just made that video, and it was kind of a life lesson type of video. And I think back personally, my dad was kind of like that. He had us do chores, made us finish the job. Once you started a job, you finished the job. You worked hard, and you did it right. He didn't do a sloppy job. And so I just wanted to share that with everybody. It's kind of a life lesson type thing. And I believe it was in September of 20 that Zach posted that on Facebook. So if you really want to have him tell the story, you can go back and look it up. Thank you so much. Have a good day.